Good morning, trading world. And here we go again. Yesterday, I kind of kicked it off by mentioning that I can feel a bounce near, but it wasn't exactly clear whether it was here or not yesterday. Well, definitely after the opening, it was clear that we're in bounce territory. Um, Now that we have bounced, so to say, um, I'm going to look for some type of consolidation around this area coming pretty soon. Um, it may be the top of the short term bounce for now, but some type of consolidation may take place. And the thing about the way the market is working right now, consolidation doesn't look like consolidation because consolidation happens over 1,000 point range. So it doesn't really look like consolidation to most people. Getting started with the levels this morning, I have placed levels on the chart which I consider uh, of major importance. But today is going to be kind of special where there are more uh, pertinent levels in between the major levels that may be of more importance. I don't know if that makes any sense, but there are going to be a lot of levels that I watched this morning to see how momentum flows at those areas where we're going to have a lot more fluctuation to kind of stay in a tighter range. Um, but we will see how it goes. So I will start with the resistance levels. The king resistance level that I have, it doesn't want to show up on the chart for some reason, the way it normally does. Let's see. Okay, there we go. All right, the king resistance that I have is going to be 77.50. The queen resistance level that I have is going to be 76.41. And the jack resistance level is going to be 75.83. There are pertinent levels in between that on the resistance side. The first is starting at 75.43, which is going to be in this area here. And the next is going to be 7,600, which is going to be in that area there. And then 76.26, which is going to be somewhere around here. Those are the levels that I have on the resistance side, which you would be looking to try to look to get short around those areas. Now, areas of support. The jack support is 73.10. The queen support is 72.71. And the king support is going to be 69.75. Let's see if we can get a little clear with the levels. So as you see, there's going to be a big range that's not going to be clear. So um, again, as with the support area, these are areas where you watch momentum to see whether there's a turnaround and whether you can get long in these areas. So that's pretty much how the morning's outlook is going to be. I've also started taking a look at certain stocks, especially in the airline industry. I'm really keen on looking at Delta as starting to buy a few shares of Delta. But I want to see whether this rally holds into Monday or Tuesday before I actually go. Um, but there are a few stocks, and I may come out and say more, but I'll try to do more research over the weekend to see what is giving me the signals that I may want to start buying at some point. Um, but just the transportation industry kind of intrigues me. Is that I want to kind of buy it. I don't think we have finished falling, but I want to buy before the bailout. I don't know whether that kind of makes sense, but I'm wrestling with that area, trying to get in at the lows, but possibly Delta may fall some more. So either way, even if I decide to buy next week, it won't be a full lot. I will probably come in stages. So that's what I'm looking at. That's the outlook for today, March 20th, 2020. Again, again, as always, make sure to have your risk defined. Be comfortable in what you can, what you risk. Should be, you should be able to afford to lose it. Uh, so you must be very, very careful because this market, it can rip. I saw yesterday at the close, um, there was one bar on the Nasdaq that was basically ripped for $2,000 in a single bar. So the way that this market moves right now is unprecedented. So please be careful and make sure you have your risk defined. Have a great day.